Back on February 24th, fans learned the news that Trisha Yearwood had been diagnosed with the COVID-19 virus. The news was revealed through social media by both Trisha Yearwood and Garth Brooks. The statement shared to Garth's official Facebook read, "Garth Brooks and Trisha Yearwood are currently quarantining at home on the heels of a recent positive COVID test by a member of their team. They are going to be spending a bit more time there." Subsequent tests they've had in recent days have indicated Trisha has contracted COVID while Garth remains negative. Further into Brooks' statement, it indicated that Yearwood was also experiencing symptoms and asked for prayers and good thoughts to be sent her way. Prayers were answered and the good vibes did make their way to Trisha Yearwood, because on March 8th, Yearwood announced to fans on her official Facebook page that she was free of the virus and finally tested negative. She also noted that Garth was Superman because he never contracted the virus. Trisha's post reads, "Don't they say good news comes in threes? 1. I got the official news that I am COVID negative. Thank you all for your love, support messages, and sweet tweets. 2. My incredible husband is literally Superman and never got COVID, but still took all the precautions to keep everyone we know and love safe." And finally, number 3, today I can finally share with you the cover of my new cookbook, Trisha's Kitchen. Garth said good news begets good news. Let's share it with the world today and spread the love. Let me know what you think of the cover. You can get your copy September 28th, and she also shared a link, which I have also shared as well in the description of this video. She ends the post by saying, "I love you all so much." So great news coming from the Yearwood and Brooks camp, and we are glad to hear that Trisha is back on her feet and feeling healthy again. Like Yearwood pointed out, remember y'all, her new cookbook is set for release on September 28th of this year, and if anyone has had an opportunity to see her cooking, well, you'll want to see what recipes she will be sharing in this new book. So guys, that will be it for today's video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and turn those notifications on as well so you never miss out on breaking news and updates surrounding your favorite country artist and all the news coming right out of Music City. Y'all stay country.